flowing water brings life to rivers. It nourishes the river's plants and animals, delivering food and oxygen. Flowing water is the lifeblood of the Murray River. Over time, the Murray River has changed. There's less water flowing down the river, and what remains is interrupted by weirs. This means less flowing water habitat for native plants and animals, and less fish food in the river. The good news is that just as reducing flow depletes the river, restoring flow can help bring the Murray River back to life. For the past 10 years, Water for the Environment has helped to restore some flows in the river, and a research team has been monitoring how the Lower Murray ecosystem is responding. Flows have increased up to nearly 50%. Small flow pulses get the river moving again and create longer stretches of flowing river. Flowing water reduces the risk of oxygen crashes and transports carbon and nutrients that support the river food web and ultimately improves ecosystem health. For the fish, invertebrates and plants of the river, re-establishing flow means more habitat, more food in the water and a healthier place to live. The mighty Murray cod appear to have been taking advantage, regularly breeding. Recently, researchers have been detecting juvenile cod throughout the Lower Murray. Flow pulses have also watered seeds and plants in the riverbanks, increasing the diversity of native vegetation and establishing new stands of river red gums, potentially benefiting the river environment for hundreds of years. Water for the Environment has kept the river connected to the Coorong, allowing migratory fish like lamprey and congolli to move and breed. The water flowing to the Coorong has also flushed thousands of truckloads of salt from the Murray-Darling Basin and reduced the amount of salt entering from the ocean, helping to improve the health of the river and estuary for the birds, fish and plants who live there. A flowing river is fundamental to the health of rivers and estuaries. Visit the website to find out more about how the Lower Murray research team is seeking to understand the difference Water for the Environment can make to the rivers, animals, plants and places of the Murray-Darling Basin.